Good morning, happy Monday, greetings and salutations everyone, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. So today's Monday, we are going to go back to Anaheim, California today, and we're going to pull some more stuff for the event on Thursday, which I am very excited about. And I have a beauty that I am currently using. You guys would probably have already seen her. I was thinking about selling her, then I'm like, I don't know. So anyway, here she is. Oh my gosh. I attached I have a bandoulier, what size is it, like 40, it's like the smallest, like kind of like luggage size. Yeah, the smallest like luggage. I always forget the names and sizes and stuff, but this one's a 30, but I just attached the long straps to these guys. But I would love to have is it the bandoulier in this size? It would be amazing. Though I do like it just like the speedy with, yeah, I think that strap is pretty cool. So I don't know, we're gonna try it out and see how it is. Literally I stuffed everything inside this bag. Like, this bag holds so much. Everything in my two bags that I normally have fit just in that one, though it is a little heavy. But we'll see how it is for today. And with that being said, I'm really excited to go out thrifting today. I haven't gone out to like Thrift in Orange County on a Monday in a really long time. So I'm really excited. Let's go head out and see what we can find today. Alright, just got to the post office. We're gonna drop off some packages and head out. Ooh, look how dusty that windshield is. Alright guys, just got to the Goodwill. Let's go inside and check things out today. Alright guys, need a cart. Alright you guys, time to go shopping. Let's check out the handbags first though. I was literally just here yesterday evening when they were about to close, so it's still a little bit early. I was trying to go a little bit later, but can't come here too late during the week because I don't want to get stuck in like 8 hours of traffic, so. Alright, we're on the other side. What does that say? The Limited? This almost looks like a fossil, but it's some Morona. Here we have a little sports stack. Flower Spring. It's not my most favorite style, or print. The Betsy Johnson? No. Alright, I think that's the rest of the handbags. Let's go check out the rest of the store. Relic. Alright, I found these slate coasters. They're originally $25, $3.99 here. They're brand new. I love these. You can write like, what's it called? You can write on them with some chalk too. So you can like label people's coasters and their drinks. So I think this is fun. Like this. Looking at this cart, but I don't really spot anything. I'm always looking for like a Tiffany's glass bowl. Haven't found one yet, but you know what? I'm putting that energy out there. Hopefully one day I will find one and that'll be super, super exciting. This is a pretty orange. There's only 2 of them. Okay, I'm looking through the plates. Don't really see anything new. Though, I did find this. There's 2 of these operation games. I kind of want one, but I might save them both for the event. I just love decorating with board games, especially like these really nice ones that are like actually like decorative and ornamental, as well as like a fun game, like anything that brings like the family together and is beautiful and decorative. Like, I'm all for that. So like multi-purpose, totally. Oh my gosh, how cute! The polar bear Christmas mug with the polka dots. That is so cute. There's, like I said, a 2. So adorable. See if we can find any cool mugs today. Yeah, I'm always on the hunt for a cool mug. Can't help myself, mugs are like one of my weaknesses. They literally have a paper towel dispenser thing. I feel like the store is still a little bit depleted from the weekend, but I know we're gonna find something good, you guys. I'm like keeping my thoughts positive. I think this would be like good for orchids. I thought this was KitchenAid for a second. Oh, stop. Prada shoes, $8.99. I mean, they kind of look a little like squared off, but I don't know, squared off shoes might be coming back. Pillsbury. Let's put this in the cart. Looking through the kids' toys. A bunch of pandas. Viking bowling. Eliza's really into Paw Patrol toys right now, so I'm looking for Paw Patrol. These are like little Sprouts, Cabbage Patch Kids, Polly Pockets.
Can we get a manager to the wares area for customer service? A manager to the wares area for customer service. Thank you.
These are so cute. Oh my god, you guys! I just died! Look at this! Are you kidding me right now? This is like from Pottery Barn or something. It is like a little broken right there, but like I'm not even worried about that. Oh my gosh, wait, how much is this? Oh my gosh, it's only $14.99. How do I get this into my cart? You know, even if it doesn't work as a mirror, I can use this as a tabletop. Alright you guys, I'm back to looking at the furniture. I found this really cool, like a mirror, almost like a shadow box kind of thing. And you can put like candles in here and then the light will reflect. It'll be really pretty. You could put this like on a, you can put it against like well, I can't even talk anymore. Against the wall when it's like on something, like a table or like a mantle or something, or you can even use it as a tray, because like you can put it like this and use it as like a large mirror tray, which I think would also be very nice. And you can carry it with this, and it's like strong enough because it's like raw iron, so you can definitely use it as that too. So I just love the multi-purpose aspect of that, and I think I do want to have that in our event too. So I think that'll be really fun. But these are like a bunch of different bar stools. I just need to find another cart or something to take that with me because it's not fitting in my cart right now. I'm just looking at the other pieces of furniture to see if I can find anything else that would be really cool. What is this? International Star Registry. Oh, this person has like the star named after them, and then they donated it to the Goodwill. Does that mean you get the star? Oh, these match. That's cool. Oh, that's broken. Not too cool. So I'm like kind of in love with this pillow, except it doesn't really match any of the other pillows that I currently have, but it's kind of like a greenish, like blue, teal. That's really cool. It's from World Market too. Kind of like it. It's $4.99. I don't know, but I did find a plethora of these like Halloween fall inspired pillows. Alright guys, I am back at the house now, and lovely mother is making beef with broccoli. Everyone's gonna want your recipe.
There's no recipe.
She just makes it. She doesn't even measure anything. She just throws everything in there and then it suddenly becomes beef with broccoli. But I bought the broccoli. She said I picked good ones. Yeah. They also got a lot because the kids really like broccoli. So there's that. And then we go over here. We have sinigang, which is boiling intensely. I think I'm gonna lower it, Mom.
Yeah, turn it off.
You got sinigang right here. Oh, so yummy. And oh, check these out. These are my newly thrifted and acquired Emile Henry pie dishes. And they're the large, extra large? I don't know, it's large, extra large. They're the large size. Look at that. I just washed them. They're ready for pies. They're ready for pies, Mom.
Yep.
Hey guys, I guess I just wanted to come on to end the video. Oh, it's been a long day, but it has been a really good one. But this is pretty much right there, find of the day. Look at that, it's on the floor, looks like a giant diamond. I still have to figure out where I'm gonna put it. Okay, so now I'm in the kitchen. You guys are literally sitting on top of a pumpkin that I have on the counter. But I just wanted to do a couple thrift shout outs and questions. And first of all, thank you, Jan Morrow. Congrats, Adrian, 16,000 and counting subscribers. Okay, so thank you first of all to everyone that messaged me about 16,000 subscribers. I can't believe I totally missed it. I was like trying to, I wanted to like see the number change. It was like one of like the coolest things ever. And I think I missed it by even my dad like noticed and he was like, oh my gosh, congratulations, you got 16,000 subscribers. And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even notice. So thank you guys. Again, without you guys, this wouldn't be possible without you guys hitting that little subscribe button. So thank you guys so much for that. Like, our family is growing and I'm just so thankful and appreciative of all of you guys that tune in to the channel every single day. And thank you guys again so much. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh, Boot734, hi friend. Hi Boot734, how's it going? Gloria Evans, yes, you should keep both bags. You can always sell later. You are a master thrifter. Bags, love it. Thanks for sharing. Thank you so much, Gloria. As of right now, I think I might keep both bags. I used the Speedy today to see how I like it, and I do like it. And the size is really great, but I feel like it could be a little larger. I don't know. I'm almost like kind of like it's almost like two medium size of a bag for me. I usually like really large bags or like really small ones, and I feel like it's just like two in the middle. But I don't know. We'll see. I really do like it so far though. So it might be like the only bag that I have that's kind of like almost like a medium kind of size. But it's so. Luna042682 says, I wonder if you know the name of my Marc Jacobs bag. It's golden, quite large with golden bows on it. I'm sorry, you can send me a photo in an email, or you can send me a DM on Instagram with a photo and I can take a look and I might be able to find it for you. I've had some luck with other people sending me photos of certain bags, and I've been able to find the names and stuff for them, so might be able to help you. But if just from that description, I don't think I can figure it out. Oh, Serena Hansen again. Congratulations on hitting 16,000. Thank you, Serena, so much. Ooh, here we have Raven's Wacky World, and she says, hi, I bought a Longchamp Le Pliage on Thrift Store. It's in color red. Can you recommend ways or products to store it in a bright color red? Thanks and God bless. You know, I haven't tried dyeing like a nylon fabric, so I do not know. You might be able to use like a mixture of water and acrylic paint, but I am not too sure. But yeah, so I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. Hope you guys had fun. If you guys did, please give the video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the little bell button for notifications. Add me on Instagram. itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. And check out the shop at itsHadrian.com, because I just listed a bunch of really great stuff. And I'm super duper excited about the stuff that's up right now. And I hope you guys are too. So thank you guys again so much. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for a new thrifting video at 7 and a new vlog up at 2, and tune in Thursday to see the event. I'm so excited. Alright, thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Too much, and it's not like super obvious. Plus, like once you get stuff inside of there, it's gonna kind of like, it might even iron itself out in the future. But it does have, if you can, is it showing up on camera? It almost looks like it has like scratches. Okay, so like that is such an easy fix, and that's probably the reason why this was priced so low, is because it has those all over. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so easy to fix it, and I cannot wait to do a handbag rehab for you guys and fix this bag, because it's gonna be a